the win!
For the win! Can we get some more gear? Some more equipment? What's that do? Yeah, let's... Oh, let's see. Excuse me, y'all. We have the dragon helmet. What does this do? Oh, that's a lot of health. Goodness. What about that? Oh, wait. I guess I'll get that next. Why not? Oh.
Hello.
Oh, hello there.
Step Brothers on.
Oh, the movie?
Yeah.
I actually saw that movie.
For the win!
I used to have a copy, but I don't know what happened to it.
It might have got stolen with your remote.
Yeah.
Let's see. Take Y down, pass it around. Oh, that's cute. So there's 10 potions on the wall. You take away a potion, pass it around. Okay. I guess I gotta finish the song. Heroes say, take.
By the way, what was I gonna tell you? Shit, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Something about your party?
No. I don't know, my burger's somewhere else. Now you got my mind tripping.
Oh wait, that's the song. Wait, it's potions of health on a wall. Oh, this goes here. No, don't do that. Don't do that. What were you talking about before?
I don't know, my mind is so messed up.
It's a long day.
Very long.
What now?
Oh, yeah, I'm watching it on TV, so like they're peeping out like every other way.
Oh, what are you watching?
Step Brothers.
Oh yeah, you said that.
I was gonna say that I did.
Oh, what did you do?
No, I wasn't gonna say that I already said it.
No. Oh, okay.
They are some idiots.
I think I saw the second one.
Was it a part two?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me look into that.
Did I do this right?
Modesty. Cheershun. Modesty. Cheershun. Cheershun.
What language are they talking? Let's see. It says.
Oh,
Arrow
they only did
says-
one.
Oh, they did. Well, maybe that's the one I saw. Potions on the wall. Potions. What? X potions of health on the wall. X potions of health. Take one down. Pass it around.
So they did. So they did. They were talking to the director of.
Modesty. Modesty.
In like April, and they said if he was to do a part two, both of them will because you know like they were big kids and like kind of slow. He said they would be way into the what's the name of that group? See, so basically they'll be those members.
What was that?
They'll be part of the
No. Hold on a sec.
what the hell?
I don't know.
Teen Mom still come on?